Good morning to all. In the last class, we were studying about knowing our numbers. So we have completed two bits. Now the third bit, third question. So what is there? Insert commas suitably and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. So first you have to insert the comma. They will give the number. Then first you have to insert the comma. Then you have to write in number names. Okay. They will given in the numbers. You have to write in names. Okay. According to Indian system of numeration. So see the question I will write. Insert comma suitably and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. Indian system of numeration. Very simple problems, nothing is difficult. Okay. So what is the question? Insert the comma suitably and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. Okay. First one, that is 70, 73. So wait. This insert comma suitably and write according to Indian system of numeration. This is the third bit. So in that first one problem, what is there? 8, 7, that is 5, 9, 57, 6. So this is the number. So take this number and first put the commas correctly according to Indian system and write the name of this number. Okay. So once again I will write out this 8, 7, 9, 5, 6, 2. Okay. So 2 is at 1 space, 6 is at 10 space, 7 is at 100 place. Okay, 7 is at 100 place, 5 is at 1000 place, 9 is at 10,000 place, 5 is at lakhs place, 7 is at 10 lakh place, 8 is at crore place. You see here, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay. So after writing this, you have to put the comma. That's very important. So according to Indian system, first 3 digit you have to leave, put the comma. Thereafter 2 digit you have to leave, put the comma. Thereafter 2 digit you have to leave, put the comma. So this happens to be ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So this is crore, means here 8 crore. 8 crore 75 lakh 95,762. Okay. So I will read out 8 crore 75 lakh 95,762. So this is according to Indian system of numeration. Okay. Next comes. So you have to write the names. So how much it is? 8 crore. You have to write its name. 8 crore. 8 crore 75 lakh 95,000 762. Very simple problem. See here, 8 crore 75 lakh 95,762. 762. So this is the first problem. So next, B1 is Homer, write down C1. So B1, it is very simple. Take C1. B1, it is very simple. You can do it. Now C1. So what is there C1? Okay. So this is the given number. First you have to write the commas. First you have to put the commas, then after write the names. Okay, very simple. So write once again this one. Okay, so that it is easy to write in names. Write this once again. 9990046. So 6 is at ones place, 4 is at tens place. This ones place is also called unit, tens, 100, 1000, like that. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay, after this you have to put the comma. How to put the comma? 1, 2, 3 digit you have to put the comma. Next, you have to separate the 1000, 2 digit leave, put the comma. You have to separate the lakhs, lakh, 10 lakh, you have to separate them by putting the comma. Okay, first I separated hundreds, I assigned here comma. Thereafter I separated 1000, I assigned the comma. Next, lakh and lakh. I separated lakhs. I assigned the comma. So this is the crore. Okay, very simple. So in other words, you can say this: last 3 digit you have to leave. 1, 2, 3 leave. Put the comma. Thereafter 2 digit you leave. Put the comma. Thereafter 2 digit leave. Put the comma. And it's very simple. You can see here: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 9 crore 99 lakh 46. Understand here 1000, 10,000 place is not given 0, 1000 place is 0 given, 100 place is 0 given. So you should not pronounce that one. You should not pronounce 10,000, 1000, hundreds. Why? Because there is a 0. 0 has no value. Okay. So you should not pronounce like that. So 9 crore 99 lakh 46. Directly here tens place. 9 crore 99 lakh 46. Suppose some number is given here, 1000 place. What will happen here? 9 crore 99 lakh 7046. Okay. There you can read, there you can pronounce where it is here number other than 0. That is 1, 7, anything. 9 crore 99 lakh 1046. Okay. Here nothing is there, 0 is there. Okay. Now it is happens to be 9 crore 99 lakh 99 lakh 9 crore 99 lakh 46. 9 crore 99 lakh 46. Okay, very simple. Now the next thing, so last one. Now last one is also a simple problem. Next I will go for fourth bit. So last simple. So nothing is difficult in that. Very simple problems. Okay, you are familiar with these problems in what we call, you studied already this in 5th standard. Okay, so you solved a lot of problems in earlier class, 5th standard. So these kind of problems. Okay, now 4th bit, I will move to the 4th bit. What is there? See here. Insert commas suitably and write the names according to international system of numeration. Very simple. According to international system of numeration. Okay, very simple question. Insert comma suitably and write the names according to international system of numeration. Okay, so first problem, that is 78921092. Okay, this is your number. Okay, so write the number once again here. So one thing you remember, you know that in international system little bit change compared to our Indian system. I will see what the thing is different here. So in international system I will write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. When it comes to lakh, take as 100,000. Okay, so in Indian system this considered as lakh. Okay, but in international system you have to consider as 100,000. Okay, next lakh, after what will come? 10 lakh. 10 lakh you have to take as 1 million. Very simple. So in here 10 lakh. Okay, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, 100 crore, 1000 crore, 10,000 crore. Okay, 1 lakh crore, 10 lakh crore, 1000 lakh crore, 100 lakh crore, after 1000 lakh crore. Like this, you have to go down, you have to move. It's very simple. Nothing is difficult in this. Okay, see here. Once again I will say you ones, tens, 100. So this is the international system. Okay, here upside same, up to here 10,000 is same. This is Indian system. Upside I am writing 1000, 100, tens, ones. This is Indian system. This is international system. Okay, so in international system we are taking as 100,000. So in the Indian system it is considered as lakh. In lakh how many zeros are there? 5 zeros are there. Okay, 5 zeros are there. Okay, this is a lakh, 1 lakh. Okay, so in international system this can be read as 100,000. So this is 100. First I write. This is 100. 100. 1000 is 3 zeros. Okay, this happens to be 1 lakh. So this is 100, 100. 100 100, 1000. 1000 means 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. 1000 is 3 zeros. So this is 100,000. Okay, in international system. But in Indian system that is 1 lakh. Next 1 lakh after 10 lakh. Okay, 10 lakh you have to take in international system million. 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. Next thereafter 10 million. 10 million means 1 crore. So you know, lakh means 5 zeros, 10 lakh means 6 zeros, 1 crore means 7 zeros. Next 100 million. 10 crore means 100 million. Okay, like this. You have to move like this. Okay. Now I will write the numbers. So this is 2 is at 1's place. Next 9 is at 10's place. 100 is at 0. So 1 is at 1000 place. 2 is at 10,000 place. 9 is at 100,000 place. So 8 is at million. So 7 is at 10 million. Okay. I will read out this one. Okay. So 78 billion. So how many 10 millions here? 7 are there. So 7 times are 70. 78 can be splitting as 70 plus 8. 70 million plus 8 million. 78 billion. Okay. So 78 million 900. 100,000 is there. 900 21,092. Okay, so you can put the comma here according to international system. How to put the comma means every 3 digit you have to put the comma. 1, 2, 3, put the comma. 1, 2, 3, put the comma. Okay, so this happens to be 78,921,092. Okay, once again I will write. This 78 million, illu million ade, illu million ade. 78 million can be splitting as 70 million plus 8 million. Idu 70 million plus 8 million. 70 million plus 8 million, 78 million. Okay. How many 10 millions are there? 7 are there. 10 million estava? 7 ava. Fill out 1, 2, 3, 4. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, how many 10 millions are there? 7 are there. How much is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70? 70 million. Plus, how many millions are there? 1 millions are there. How many 1 millions are there? 8 are there. So, yes to 1 million ava 8 ava. So 8 ones are 8. Plus, how many 10 millions are there? 7 10 are there. 7 are there. Sorry. How many 10 millions are there? 7 are there. 7 times are 70. So 8 ones are 8. 7 times are 70. 70 plus 8, 78. Okay. Very easy problems. Okay. Once again I will say you. How many 10 millions are there? 7 are there. 10 millions is 7 hour. 10 millions 7 hour. So 10 sevens are 70. Plus how many 1 millions are there? 8 are there. 1 million is 8 hour. 8 ones are 8. So 70 plus 8 78 million. 78 million. 78 million 921,092. Okay, here the 100 place is not given, 0 is given, some number is given, suppose 4 you take as, what will happen? 78,921,492. Okay, here nothing is given, 0 you have to consider. So once again I will write this number 78 million 900 21,092. 78,921,092. Very simple. Now next problem. So this is upside I don't know, this is the Indian system. Okay, below this what I wrote, this is the international system. Okay, very simple. Next, so the next problem, 74522. Okay, so write that number once again here. Okay, first you write the place value. Ones according to international system, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. When it comes lakh, we have to consider as 100,000. Okay, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay, next 1 million. Next 10 million. Okay, so goes on, you have to do. This is 100 million. Okay, so below this you have to write that number, so it is easy for you. 3, 8, 2, this 2, and this 4, 7. Okay, now put the commas according to international system. 1, 2, 3, put the comma. 1, 2, 3, put the comma. So up to here is the number 7,422,283. Very simple. So 7,422,000. This H indicates 100. Okay, 7,422,000. TH 1,283. Okay, so this is the problem. So once again you can write neatly 7,422,283. Now put the comma. Every 3 digit you have to put the comma. 1, 2, 3, put the comma. 1, 2, 3, put the comma. So this happens to be 7,422,283. It's a very simple problem. Okay. Now I will move to the C1. Okay. I will keep this as it is, place value. What is C1? Okay, C1 is 9, 9,9,9,85,102. Okay, very simple. 9,9,9,85,102. Okay. So write according to this ones, tens is 0, hundreds is 1, thousands is 5, 10,000 is 8, 100,000 is 9, 1 million is 9, 10 million is 9. Okay, very simple. Okay, this is the international system of numeration. So put the comma according to international system. For every 3 digit you have to put the comma. 1 2 3 3 digit put the comma. Next for every 3 digit 1 2 3 3 digit put the comma. Okay, so this happens to be 99 million. Very simple. 99,985,102. Okay, 99,985,102. Okay, so once again I will write 9 is 9 9 triple 9 8 5 102 102. Okay, so put the comma according to international 3 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma. So this 99,985,102. So this is the way of writing the international system of numeration. Okay, so the next is homework for you. It's very simple. Okay, okay, I will do that. D1. Okay, last problem is there. D1 4 4 8 0 4 9 8 3 1. Okay, 480 49831. So write according to international system. So 1 is given at 1's place, 3 is given at 10's place, 100 is given at 8 place, 1000 is given at 9, 4 is given at 10,000 place, 0 is given at 100 place, 100,000 place, 8 is given at million, 4 is given at 10 million. Okay, now put the comma according to international 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma. So this happens to be 48 million. There is no 100,000, they kept as 0. 48 million. This 49,831. Okay, like this you have to write. How much this 48 million 49,831. Okay, you can write in words. Okay, 48 million 48. In previous problems I have not put this in words. You can write that one. Okay, 48 million 48 million. There is no 100,000, 0 yet. 49,000 49,000 831. 831. Okay, very simple. Now the next thing is your 1.2 exercise. Okay. So I have given in words 48,000. There is no 100,000, zero is there. Don't read, don't pronounce. Okay, 48 million, 49,000, 49,000, th 49,831. So this is, so in previous problem, I not wrote in words. Now I will write in words. Okay. So this D1 I given already. Now C1. So what happens there? I was not wrote in words. Now I will write. Don't worry. C1, what is there? C1 I will show you. Remaining you can write A, B. Okay. 99980 or something is there. 85102. 85102. Answer. So write this according to international 201589999. Okay. So this you have to write in international system of numeration. Right, put the comma 1 2 3, put the comma 1 2 3, put the comma. Okay. Now we have to write this in words. Okay, write the names of this number.